Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, as you guys know, the guns and picture of Kalado that was floating around on the internet yesterday, well, sources have confirmed that those guns are fake and they were a prop for a music video. So let's get into the story. And big up to all of the real vloggers, them that don't run with every story they're given for clicks and views. They stick to their integrity and stick to real life facts. The police force communications arm, the corporate communications unit, has stated that the guns seen in a widely circulated photograph of dancehall entertainer Kalado are fake. The police made checks and the guns were fake. They were props for a music video. A representative of the CCU told Loop News reporter Claude Mills. Big up to Claude Mills. He is always on it. Since yesterday, a photograph with Kalado sitting in a police station with 3 guns on a desk suggested that the DJ was in trouble with the cops. However, that is not the case. Brown is known for the songs Bad in a Bed and Broke Foreigner. So, the guns are fake and they're actually for a video that he is supposed to be shooting. Honestly, I feel like Kalado and his team tried to pull a KASANOVA with this one. Who remember KASANOVA when he said that J-Bad was holding him hostage, but in truth and in fact he actually went to hide. So I feel like Kalado and his team tried to pull a KASANOVA, and this one did not work because we saw right through it and right through the publicity stunt. And I'm at the point now where I feel like a lot of these Jamaican artists don't want to put in the work. They don't want to put in quality music and quality content, but they want hype and fame and notoriety, and a lot of them will do anything for their name to be in the public's eye, whatever good or bad, whatever they have to do to be in the public's eye, they will do it. But comment what your thoughts are in the comment section, because I remember my husband woke up to this email, and obviously his team or whoever that's close to him that actually took this picture sent it to all the vloggers, and they run it as Kalado is in trouble with the law for having 3 AK-47 and blah blah blah. He was held moving the guns from Spanish Town to wherever. Anyways, it's a hot ass mess, and everybody come into this thinking that you just push out every story that you get sent, and that is not the case. You have to do your research. You have to have a lot of integrity and know what you're doing on the internet. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.